Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshit, and Assistant Teacher of English also. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is Unseen Part B, question number 4 and 5. I repeat, our today's topic is Unseen Part B, question number 4 and 5. Dear students, look at board. This is our lecture number 8 and SW number 7. I repeat, this is our lecture number 8 and SW number 7 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students, before going to our main session, I want to show you a picture. So, I hope that all of you are eagerly waiting to see the picture. Look at both. So, look at this man, look at this great man. Yes, this picture is seen from a far distance. Now, do you know who is this great man? I think you can know him because you have learned or you have read about him in your Bangla book. And one important thing is another important thing. Last year we visited or we went to Nuhashpurli. So in that case, I can say that many of you can remember or can know him. He is none but Humayun Ahmed. He is none but Humayun Ahmed. So let's start our class. Read the following text and answer question number 4 and 5. Humayun Ahmed, a teacher, author, dramatist, playwright and filmmaker. So look at the description about him, that he is, at a time he was a teacher, author, dramatist, playwright and filmmaker. He was born in Mohanganj, Netrokona on 13 November 1948. Look at the clear description. That he was born in Mohanganj, Netrokona on 13 November 1948. His father, Fazlur Rahman Ahmed. So look at the name of his father. His father was Fazlur Rahman Ahmed. He was a police officer and writer, was killed by Pakistani military during the Liberation War of Bangladesh 1971. Dear students, we all know that during the Liberation War, that means in 1971, we all know that Liberation War took place or was held, and during that time many officers, many journalists, many intellectuals were killed. I think all of you know this, and among them Humayun Ahmed's father was one of them. So he was Fazlur Rahman Ahmed, a police officer, and during the Liberation War he was killed by the Pakistani military in 1971. His mother was Aisha Faiz. So look here, his mother's name was Aisha Faiz. He passed ACC examination from Bogura Jila School. So look at the description. That means Humayun Ahmed passed ACC examination from Bogura Jila School. ACC, you all know, that means secondary school certificate. The full form of ACC is secondary school certificate in 1965 from Bogura Jila School, and stood second in the merit list in Rajshahi board. So look, that means he was very much outstanding. That means he was very much meritorious. He stood second in the merit position in Rajshahi board. He passed the ACC examination from Dhaka College. ACC means higher secondary school. So look here, our higher secondary certificate exam from Dhaka College in 1967. He received his honors and masters in chemistry. So look, he received his honors and masters in chemistry from Dhaka University. He worked as a professor of chemistry in Dhaka University. So look at the description of his working place. So look, he worked as a professor of Dhaka chemistry in Dhaka University. He reached his peak of fame with the publication of his novel Nondito Noroke. Look at his outstanding performance, his masterpiece, his novel Nondito Noroke, and it was published in 1972. He wrote over 200 fiction and non-fiction books of all of which were bestseller in Bangladesh. Dear students, one important thing, that means the book or the fictions whatever he wrote, that means Humayun Ahmed wrote, all were become the bestseller. That means during that time, that means most of the young generations, most of the people liked his writings, his fictions, his book also. That means all the books were during that time in the bestseller position. His first television drama was Pratham Prahar. So look here, his first television drama was Pratham Prahar. It was followed by many dramas and drama serials. He also directed many films based on his own stories for his outstanding contribution. So look, for his outstanding contribution, he was honored with many awards, including Bangla Academy Award in 1981 and Ekushe Padak in 1994. He died on 19 July 2012 at Bellevue Hospital in New York. That means he died on 19 July 2012 at Bellevue Hospital in New York, and he was buried in Nuhashpurli. That means there is a graveyard of Humayun Ahmed in Nuhashpurli in Gazipur. So dear student, this is our reading session, and normally we see that after finishing our reading session, we normally go to our question answers, and today also we will follow this. So let's go to our question session. It is table. It is, so look here, it is question number 4, it is table. Complete the table below with appropriate information given in the passage. Given in the passage. So look, there is a table who, what or event, and when or where. So Humayun Ahmed, look here, Humayun Ahmed gave Netrokona in 1948. So look here, 1948. If I show you the picture, or if we go to the go to the passage, you will understand. So look here, Humayun Ahmed, the filmmaker, teacher, author, dramatist, playwright and filmmaker, was born in Mohanganj, Netrokona on 13 December 1914. That means was born. So look at the event. Event is was born. Was born. Humayun Ahmed was born Netrokona in 1948. One number is done. Now two number. Dash killed during the Liberation War 1971. So to get the answer, we will go to the passage. So look here. His father Fazlur Rahman Ahmed, a police officer and writer, was killed by Pakistani military during the Liberation War in 1971. That means the answer is his father. So look, his father was killed. His father killed, okay, his father was killed. It will be his father was killed. Passive structure, you will write here was. His father was killed during the Liberation War in 1971. Nondito Noroke, okay, dash in 1972. So dear students, go to the passage to get the answer. Honors, he reached his peak of fame with the publication of his novel Nondito Noroke in 1972. That means, okay, after reading the sentence we understand, or we can understand, that means Nondito Noroke was published in 1972. In 1972, Nondito Noroke was published. So Nondito Noroke was published, look here, with the publication. It will be was published. Nondito Noroke was published in 1972. Okay, from the passage we have got the idea. Humayun Ahmed got Bangla Academy Award, gave. That means when and where. Humayun Ahmed got Bangla Academy Award. So look here, with his outstanding performance, he got Bangla Academy Award in 1981. So look, the answer is 1981, Bangla Academy Award. In 1981. In 1981, the correct answer. So he breathed his last, gave. So look at the passage. He died on 19 July 2012 at Bellevue Hospital in New York. That means on 19 July. On 19 July 2012. This is the answer. So dear students, look, so we have written here 4 answers. I am telling again so that you can understand. Humayun Ahmed was born Netrokona in 1948. Number 2, his father was killed during the Liberation War in 1971. Nondito Noroke, we all know this is a novel and this one is a masterpiece, was published in 1972. Humayun Ahmed got Bangla Academy Award in 1981 and he breathed his last on 19 July 2012. 19 July 2012. From the passage we have got the answer. So now I want to move you to the, now we will go to the question number 5. Read the passage again and write whether the statements are true or false. Give correct answer if the statement is false. So look, number A, that means these all are about true false. Number A, Humayun Ahmed was not only a writer but also a famous filmmaker. Dear students, if we look at the very beginning of our passage, so look here, not only a writer or author, it is written author here, same thing, and famous filmmaker. So from the passage we have got the idea, we have got the answer that Humayun Ahmed was not only a filmmaker but also a famous filmmaker, writer, filmmaker. That means the statement is true. Number B, his father was killed by Pakistani army during the language movement. So look at the keywords, it is language movement. If I go to the passage, that means we will get the exact point. His father Fazlur Rahman Ahmed, a police officer and writer, was killed by Pakistani military during the Liberation War. So look here, the exact information is during the Liberation War. We all know that Liberation War was held in 1971. On the other hand, language movement was held in 1952. Okay, I hope you have understood. So it is language movement, that means false. So look at the correct answer. His father, I am giving here dot. Okay, you will understand. His father was killed by Pakistani army during the Liberation War. So I am telling again, his father was killed by Pakistani army during the language movement. False. False. Correct statement or correct answer. His father was killed by Pakistani army during the Liberation War. Same information. Number C, he was a professor of physics in Dhaka University. So look, what is written here, physics, but from the passage we have learned that he was a professor of chemistry. So look here, from the passage, he worked as a professor of chemistry in Dhaka University. False. Correct answer, he was a professor of chemistry, CHEMISTRY. So look here, CHEMISTRY, chemistry in Dhaka University, in DU or Dhaka University. He was awarded Ekushe Padak 15 years after he had got Bangla Academy Award. So look here, he was awarded Ekushe Padak 15 years after he had got. So look here, it is written here 15 years mentioned here. So look, Bangla Academy Award in 1981 and Ekushe Padak 1994. So look at the distance or difference between them. (1994) minus 1981. So look at the subtraction. it will be 3 plus 1, 0, 0. So how many years? 13 years. 13, okay. So it is written 15 years. So the answer is wrong, false. He was awarded, I am giving here dot dot, you will understand, Ekushe Padak 13 years after that. 13 years after he had got. Okay, so look here, 13 years. In place of 15 years, you will write 13 years. Then dot. So look at the last one. So I am telling D number again. He was awarded Ekushe Padak 15 years after he had got Bangla Academy Award. So we have got the idea that from the passage it will be 13 years. Correct statement is he was awarded Ekushe Padak 13 years after he had got Bangla Academy Award. The last one is his grave is in Nuhashpolli. So look at the passage to understand whether it is right or wrong. He was buried in Nuhashpolli. That means yes, in Nuhashpolli there is his grave. It is true. These are all about our true false. Now look at the end of our book. It is written SW Unseen Part B, question number 4 and 5. So dear students, look, this is our SW number 7. These all are your SW. Question number 7 and these all are, that means 4 and 5. So look at here, it is written my phone number and my phone number and messenger ID is given here. So if you have any confusion, and write me. And before doing your SW or before going to sit for doing your SW, you will read the text again and again, and you will properly know about this famous filmmaker, author, playwright, and do your SW. I hope all of you have enjoyed this class actively, and see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.